In this video, we will learn how to build sculptures like a pro in Fortnite Creative. Building sculptures like a pro in Fortnite Creative takes a mix of practice, precision, and creativity. So firstly, you need to plan your builds. You can look at real-life references and other Fortnite builds to find your inspiration. If it's a complex design, make a rough sketch to guide you, and if some props and terrain piece works better for organic shapes while other are better for geometric structures, so choose the right theme. Fortnite Creative has basic shapes that can be resized and recolored. These are essential for smooth sculptures. Tree, rocks and other organic items can be reshaped into animals, structures and landscapes. If you are making something like pixel art or mechanical walls, floor or ramps can also work. You can use precision mode to get small detailed adjustments during the advanced building section. Rotated objects in all three axes can make it far smoother. You can use lower grid snap for finer control. Higher grid snap for even spacing can also be used. Overlap props to make unique textures. Combine multiple objects for depth and complexity. You should always use the right material and color, metal for futuristic and mechanical builds, wood and stone for natural or ancient sculptures. Recolor props to match the vibe of your sculpture. Adding detail and finishing touches is also essential. Use spotlights and ambient lights to make your sculpture stand out. Add smoke, glow or other effects to bring it to real life. You can place terrain, water and decorations around your build to make it feel complete. And finally, you can watch YouTube tutorials from top creative builders to learn more from them. Join Fortnite creative communities for feedback and inspiration. Keep experimenting with new techniques and styles. Using these tips and tricks, you can make a real-life sculpture in Fortnite and enjoy the game at your pace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.